So I get asked a lot, how much is Shopify? So in this video, we're going to jump onto the Shopify website where we'll look at the different pricing plans that Shopify offers. And I'll also explain to you exactly what those credit card fees and transaction fees are. So let's jump onto the Shopify website and get started. Okay, great. So we're on the pricing page of the Shopify website now. And first and foremost, it's important for you all to know that before you start looking at prices and you start paying anything, there's a 14-day free trial with Shopify that you can use if you're a brand new merchant who want to set up their store. You can follow the link in the description to this video below and click this button here and you're going to get 14 days free to try out Shopify. You don't have to enter any credit card details and you can check it out, see if it's for you, and then decide what pricing plan you're going to go on to later on. So if you want to get started with Shopify, have a play around, and you're just getting introduced to Shopify, click on the link in the description below and you'll be able to get your free trial. Okay, but moving on from that, as we scroll down, we'll be able to see the different pricing plans that Shopify offers. So you can see there's a basic Shopify plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced Shopify plan. And right below, we're going to see the different prices for each of those plans. So the basic Shopify plan here starts at $29 a month. Shopify is at $79 a month, and the advanced Shopify is at $299 a month. That's the monthly price. If you pay a straight up yearly price, you're going to get 10% off the final price. So, $29 a month times by 12. I don't know the math, but you can take off 10% of that 12-month sum if you pay if you pay yearly. And that's the same for all three of these. And if you pay for a 2-year plan upfront, you're going to save 20%. So these are the basic prices for each plan. And if you pay upfront for 1 year or 2 years, you're going to save either 10 or 20% on that price. So I'll come back to credit card rates and transaction fees a bit later, but we're just going to look at the features of each of those plans. So remember that basics here, Shopify and advanced. Go down to the features. So staff accounts, you're going to get 2 for your basic, 5 for your Shopify medium plan, and 15 for your advanced. Staff accounts basically means if you're running a store and you have employees, you've got your head of finance or head of marketing or some people that manage stock, you can set up your staff accounts within your store and give your employees individual logins so they can log into the store and make the changes on the back end that they need to do. And it means you don't have to give out your master account. You can just set them new accounts up so they have access to go into the Shopify store you've created and make the changes that you need them to change. So that's the amount of staff accounts you can set up with each plan. Number of products, as you can see, for every plan you can add an unlimited amount of your products to your store, and you also have an unlimited amount of storage space. So that's pictures you upload to your store, text, all of that stuff is unlimited for all of the plans. Retail package. Now Shopify offers a retail package where it's basically for people that have physical stores, and it means people have their own stores. They offer a package where you can have credit card scanners and all-in-one service for your iPads. So that's basically an add-on, and they're basically just saying if you want to buy the retail package add-on, it's $49 extra regardless of what plan you're on. But as we move down, you can see that there's a big chunk of features that all of the plans share. So all of the plans have 24/7 support from the Shopify support team, really useful. They all have inbuilt fraud analysis. They all have manual order creation, so you can go in and create your orders. So say you get an order on the phone, you can go onto your website and make that order on your online store so that you have a physical record of that. So you can create orders manually. You can offer discount codes on your store regardless of what plan you're using. They allow you to set up a website and a blog within your store for all of the plans, and you get a free security certificate on all of your plans. That basically means that you get HTTPS web address, and it means that you can securely receive credit card payments. So it's a requirement in order to receive credit card payments over the internet for your online store, and Shopify comes with a security certificate inbuilt into your store regardless of what plan you're on. But as we're moving down, we're going to see some of the differences. So we can see here in this column, the Shopify basic plan does not offer any of these final rows. So we're going to look at the Shopify medium plan and the Shopify advanced plan, and we can see that The medium and advanced, they offer gift cards, so you can give out gift cards, you can offer gift cards for people and they can then give those gift cards to their friends, which can be used to spend on your store. That's something you have exclusively to the medium and the advanced plan. You can generate professional reports on how your store has done, monthly, weekly. You get professional advanced reporting features with these two plans, so you can really break down your sales, your taxes, all of that stuff, and it saves you time from doing it manually. And abandoned cart recovery. So abandoned cart recovery means if someone comes onto your store and they make they show interest in a product, they maybe add a product to the cart and they enter their email address, but then they don't go on to buy that product. With the medium and the advanced plan, Shopify orders inbuilt features where you can automatically contact those people that visited your store but didn't order. You can send an automatic email to those people to try and get them back onto your store and complete their order. So really you're increasing your conversions there. You may have been leaving money on the table by letting these people who were interested in the products but got distracted and left your store. If you left them alone, you're leaving money on the table. But with these two plans, Shopify offers an automated service where it contacts those people and tries to get their interest again and gets them back onto your store, which hopefully will make you more money. And finally, exclusively to the advanced plan, you've got the advanced report builder with even more advanced features for reporting, and you've got third-party calculated shipping rates. So the calculated shipping rates quickly, the only thing I have seen that are useful this feature in my experience with Shopify is on the basic and middle plan for Shopify, you can't set delivery prices, shipping prices individually for products. You can either set it on the weight of the whole order that a customer makes or on the order value of the order a customer makes. So say a customer has made an order for $50 in total, you can set a price for $50, so plus $3.99 for shipping if the order is $50 or under, and then if they make a second order for $80, you can set another price for that order, of $2.99. So you can encourage your customers to make bigger orders to save money on shipping. But you can't say, for this product, I want to have a shipping rate of $2. For this product, I want to have a shipping rate of $5. You can't break it down by product. But you can only do that if you're on the advanced Shopify plan. And that's $2.99 a month. So you got to think, is $2.99 a month rather than $29 a month? Just really for these advanced features, is it worth it? And I mean, if you're just getting started on this, I've always used a $29 basic Shopify plan, and it's done the majority, if not all, of what I've needed it to do. The only limitation really was that shipping setback. But if you're just getting started and you're exploring online e-commerce, I definitely recommend the $29 basic Shopify plan. But if you do need these advanced features, the $299 a month advanced plan is there for you. If you follow the link in the description below, you'll be able to get your free trial started, and after the free trial, you can decide what plan you want to go with. But finally, we'll just talk about the credit card rates and the transaction fees. You can see as you get from left to right for the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced Shopify plan, the credit card rates go down the more expensive plan you're on, which is what you'd hope to see. It's a good thing. If that didn't exist, you're not getting as much value for money with Shopify. It's a good thing it does exist. And basically how credit card rates work is you get this added, this taken away, from an order value. So say a customer comes and makes an order for $100. If you're on a basic Shopify plan, Shopify is going to take away 2.2% of that $100, so $2.20 plus an extra 20 cents. It says pence because I'm looking at this in England, but it's going to be cents up in the US. So if you get an order for $100, Shopify is going to take $2.40, so that's $2.20 plus the 20 cents, $2.40. And as you can see, the amount they take from you gets lower as you go from left to right, but for every pricing plan, Shopify still takes some money off you for your credit card rates. And this isn't exclusive to Shopify. This is done on every e-commerce platform out there. So BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, they will all have credit card rates. It's just a fact of life. If you're running an online store, you can expect credit card rates to be deducted from your profits. So these are the rates for the different plans, and they go down the more expensive the plan. That's the only really important thing you need to know. Transaction fees. So transaction fees are an additional fee Shopify takes on top of the credit card rates it takes from you for each order. So it's important to know that these rates are per order, not per item bought. So it's going to be the total order value that they take these rates off. And when we look at the transaction fees, they're taking 2% off if you're on the basic plan, 1% off if you're on the middle plan, and 0.5% off if you're on the advanced plan. So if you get a $100 order, you're going to lose $2.40 from the credit card rates, and you're going to lose another $2 for the transaction fees. So you need to take all this into account when you're planning your profits, doing your calculations on what you think you can and can't earn. It's an important thing to keep in mind. But one important thing to note with transaction fees, if you use Shopify's inbuilt credit card reader, their inbuilt payment gateway, they don't charge you any transaction fees. So these numbers down here, you don't really need to worry about as long as you're going to use Shopify's inbuilt payment gateway, which I've been using in my experience, and there's no setbacks. It's a really good payment gateway. So you should go into buying Shopify with the plan of using Shopify's payment gateway. And then all you have to consider are the credit card rates. So that's it really. Like I said, it's really easy to get started on Shopify. You just come to this page, get your free trial, build your store, and start making sales in those first 14 days. And I'll put the link to that page in the description below, and then really you choose your Shopify plan. I know some people, they look at these prices, $29 a month, $79 a month, $299 a month, and it puts you off. But really you need to think, if you are looking into going into business and this is a serious decision that you are going to go ahead and really make a real effort at this, these prices shouldn't be concerning you, because if you're taking this seriously and you're looking to build a real business, $29 a month to be able to do that, to give you all your tools you need to do that, should really be nothing in comparison to the sales and the profits you're planning on making. So, pricing isn't the most important factor when you're looking to build your online business, but I wanted to give you a breakdown of exactly how the different prices work for these different pricing plans so you know what to expect going into this. And that's it really. It's pretty simple. There's 3 pricing plans with Shopify: the basic, the intermediate Shopify plan, and the advanced Shopify plan. 3 different pricing structures and the different features. So if you go to the page in the link below, you can see those features for yourself and decide which one's for you. But like I said, getting started on the $29 a month basic plan, putting you all into this, really hoping to build a business, it's worth its weight in gold, and it's really easy to do. I did a video last week on how to get started with Shopify and how to build your store from step 1 to having your store live, having your products on there and making sales. And there's also a link to a video on my website that Shopify sent me to put on my website, where they give you a 21-step video tutorial on how to make your first Shopify sale once your store is up and running. So I'll put a link to that as well in the description below. So once you have paid for Shopify, you've built your Shopify store, you can go to my website, watch that official Shopify video, and learn how to make your first sale. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions regarding Shopify, how to set it up, any more questions regarding the pricing, or any questions on my experience with Shopify, make sure to leave the questions in the comments box below, and I'll get back to every single one of you. If this channel interests you, it's a channel where I'm learning to make money online. I've been doing this for about 12, 13 months now. If that's something you're interested in too, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I release between 1 and 2 videos every week, documenting my progress, letting you guys know what's working for me and what's not, so you know what to copy in your own projects yourself. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate everyone that subscribes, everyone that contributes and comments to this community. It's growing really fast and everyone's helping each other out, so I'm really happy about that. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back with another video on Sunday, so make sure to tune in for that. Thanks again. Bye.